something there.
That's where the bodies are.
Okay. Ow.
Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR, your host for Ham Radio Q&A. I'm on a mission to inspire and educate the amateur radio community. If things like that interest you, hit like and subscribe for more of that kind of content. Also, check us out on Patreon. Patrons help keep the mission alive. That's over at patreon.com/KB9VBR Antennas. Well, this afternoon, I'm here at the Dells of Eau Claire County Park with Joe, KD9CJX, and we're doing a Parks on the Air activation. Well, County Park, Parks on the Air, how can that be? Well, this is it. We are actually on the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. The Ice Age Trail is a 1,200-mile-long trail within the state of Wisconsin, whose western terminus is over near St. Croix Falls, near the Twin Cities, and the eastern terminus is at Potawatomi State Park in the beautiful Door County Peninsula. And we are here at the Dells of Eau Claire, which is about 15 miles from my hometown of Wausau, putting the trail on the air. And the neat thing I think about this park is its natural geologic formations. And the whole deal with the Ice Age Trail is that it kind of follows the path of final glaciation during the Ice Age. So you really see a lot of, so if you follow the trail for any length, you really see a varied geology and geography of what the glaciers did to make the state what it is today. Just a little bit about the geology. Like I said, this area has kind of got a sort of a small gorge that the water has run through for ages. As the glaciers melted, what it did is it carved and smoothed and polished this very old myolite, rocks that are estimated to be 1.8 billion years old. Created potholes and kettles and other formations. So really a neat kind of geology, and it's kind of a fun place to explore and relax. But a little bit about the activation. Let's see, we're going to be running, Joe's actually in charge of the activation today. He's running his Yaesu FT897. I think he's got it at 100 watts. I'm not sure the actual transmit power. For antennas, we're going to be using the Chameleon Tactical Delta Loop Antenna. This is an antenna that Chameleon sent me, and we're going to be testing it out today, mainly on 20 meters, the Tactical Loop Antenna. So we'll see how that antenna works for our Parks on the Air activation. But first, I'm going to give you a few sights of the Dells of Eau Claire Park, and then we're going to move right into that Parks on the Air activation.
This is Kilo Delta 9 Charlie Juliet X-Ray calling CQ for Parks on the Air and standing by. November 5 station, go ahead.
Yes, November 5, Sierra, late night Yankee.
November 5, Sylvester, SLY, good afternoon, sir. Good signal today from Texas. You're in central Wisconsin. Giving you about a 5.757, park number 4238, over.
QSL to 4238, you're also 5 and 7 in Texas, and I got another call sign for you if you'd like it.
Roger, I got the Sierra Lima Yankee, and let's go with the other call sign.
Yeah, the other call sign, the 1x1 call sign, Whiskey 5 Romeo for the Red River Bridge Horse special event, Whiskey 5 Red.
All right, Whiskey 5 Red, we got you in here as long. We'll take that for a 2-4 here. And 73, and good luck. Thanks for 2 contacts.
Yep, thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. You have fun today at 73.
Yep. You as well. Take care. QRZ, Kilo Delta 9, Charlie, Juliet X-Ray, CQ Parks on the Air. YL Station, Whiskey 5, go ahead.
Whiskey 5, Alpha, Zulu, Oscar, 5-5, Texas.
Roger, Roger. From the accent, I figured it was Texas, but thanks for the confirmation. Good signal today. You're about 5757 in Wisconsin, and park number is Kilo 4238. Over. QSL, Roger, Roger.
Great to work you, 73.
73 and good luck. QRZ, Kilo Delta 9, Charlie, Juliet X-Ray, CQ Parks on the Air.
Kilo Charlie, Juliet, Charlie, Quebec.
Quebec Station, go ahead.
Kilo Charlie 9, Hotel Echo, Quebec.
Kilowatt Charlie 9, Hotel Echo, Quebec. Go ahead.
Yeah, Joe, you're a 5-7 into Southern Illinois. Thanks for the park.
Roger, Roger. We copied a 5-7 in Illinois. You're about a 5-5, 55 here in Wisconsin. Park 4238. QSL?
QSL, the Ice Age Park. Thanks for the park.
Yep, Ice Age Trail here. We're actually sitting in a county park that the trail goes through, and it's about 50 feet to my back. So it's a nice, quiet day, and can't beat the weather.
You bet. Have a great day.
And we'll say 7-3. QRZ, Kilo Delta 9, Charlie, Juliet X-Ray, CQ Parks in the Air.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo. Good afternoon, sir. I'll give you a signal report on the next go. Right now it's Park 4238. Over.
Hey, Roger, you're a 5-5 in South Carolina.
Copy to 5-5. You're about a 5-7, 57 here in central Wisconsin. Over.
Hey, Roger, 73, and have a good day.
73 in the Alpha Bravo 1 station. Go ahead.
Alpha, Bravo, 1 Alpha, AB1A.
Okay, that's a lot better signal. You're about a 5-5 in Wisconsin, 4238. QSL?
Is that 4582? Did I get that right?
Negative. 4238. 4238. Over.
$42.38. QSL?
QSL, and I need your park number.
Park number is Kilo 6994. That's 6994. QSL?
Roger, Roger. We copy Kilo 6994.
What state are you in? What state are you in, please?
We're in Wisconsin, Whiskey India.
Roger, the Whiskey India. We're in Whiskey Victor, QSL.
All right, and copy the West Virginia. Good luck over there. Over.
Hey, thank you so much. The signal picked up a whole lot more since the last couple transmissions there.
Yeah, the band is up and down today, but I've scored 27 QSOs here in about 30 minutes, so that's working.
Hey, thank you for the activation. Stay safe, my friend.
Roger, Roger. 73 and good luck. QRZ, Kilo Delta 9, Charlie, Juliet X-Ray, CQ Parks on the Air.
Echo Bravo.
Echo Bravo station, go ahead.
Roger, Kilo India 0 Echo Bravo, KI0AB 55 Kentucky.
Roger, Roger, the 5-5. You're also 5-5 in Wisconsin. Park number 4238, over.
Roger, copy all 73, thanks.
73 and good luck. QRZ, Kilo Delta 9, Charlie, Juliet X-Ray, CQ Parks on the Air.
Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
Oh.
Oh, that'll help. CQ, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo, Bravo 9er, Victor, Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the air.
Whiskey 0, Romeo, Foxtrot, Papa.
Whiskey 0, Romeo, Fox, Papa, got you a solid 5-5 here into Wisconsin. Park number 4238, back to you.
QSL, the 5-5, you're a 5353, Minnesota, QSL.
QSL, the 53 in Minnesota, and thanks a lot for the contact today. Have a good one.
Good luck today.
Yep, have to take care. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the air, QRZ. Turning the power up to 100 helps.
Kilo Zulu 9 Whiskey.
Kilo Zulu 9 Whiskey. Gotcha, solid 5-7 here into Wisconsin, park number 4238, back to you.
QSL, you got you at a 5-7 down in southwest Wisconsin. Whereabouts are you on the trail?
Roger, the 5-7 in southwest Wisconsin. We are at the Dells of Eau Claire County Park, approximately 15 miles east of Wausau.
Roger, roger. Well, I'm not that far away. Have a good day. Thanks for the activation.
Roger that. Thanks for coming back. Greatly appreciate it. Have a good one. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ. Well, should we try 17?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got to do here. Is frequency in use, KB9VBR.
Kilo 3, Echo, Fox, Sierra.
Kilo 3, Echo, Fox, Sierra. Got you 5-5 here into Wisconsin. Park number 4238. Back to you.
QSL, you're 5 and 3, 53 Pennsylvania. Thank you for the part.
Roger, the 5-3 in Pennsylvania. It's my pleasure. Have a good one. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Alpha Delta 8, Foxtrot Delta.
Alpha Delta 8, Fox Delta, solid 5-7 here into Wisconsin, park number 4238, back to you.
Roger, roger, you are 5-5 into Southern Ohio. Have fun.
Roger, the 5-5 Southern Ohio, and thanks for the contact. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ. And this is our activation kind of recap of K-4238, the Ice Age National Scenic Trail that runs through the Dells of Eau Claire County Park. And we've been using this Chameleon tactical Delta antenna for the activation. Joe started out on 20 meters, and you got whopping 31 contacts in 29 minutes.
30 contacts, 29 minutes. So working good on 20.
Working really good at 20. And the band conditions were kind of fluctuating. They were really a lot of deep fades. Switched over to 40 meters, and it took me about a half hour to get, or about 20 minutes to get 5 contacts on 40 meters. I jumped up to 17, got another 7 there, so I got 12 contacts in 30 minutes. So
yeah. So I mean, the antenna definitely works. There's no two questions about that. From what we found with the analyzer is that you're going to need a tuner, especially for 40 and 80 meters. You can probably get away without a tuner on 20 and above, but you know, you may want to just have one anyways.
yeah.
The trade-offs is that, as you can see here, it's got a pretty large footprint.
It does.
Compared to a vertical antenna such as a buddy stick or a Wolf River coil, but you're trading that off with a little more footprint, but you do get NVIS capabilities that you would not get with a vertical antenna.
And I think that was the big surprise on 40 meters. It was really, we really had some NVIS work in there. Most of our contacts were, we had one in Minnesota and one in-state Wisconsin, and just kind of surrounding.
And another one in Illinois as well.
In Illinois, yeah. So it was really, our skip was really short.
It was definitely a cloud burner. So it is, as advertised, a very good NVIS antenna. I think if you had this on and if you set this up during the day, you work your high bands during the day, and you go over to nighttime, 40 and 80 meters is probably going to be pretty good, especially if you're going to work that and the band is more local. But again, it's got the big footprint. So if you are at a small location, it may not work the best for you. But if you got a little more room like we had here, we were lucky enough to find this nice open area. it works.
Seemed to work well, and we could rotate it too. And you noticed a little bit of directionality with the antenna rotating it.
Yeah,
so.
I think if the band was a little more stable, because 20 meters was real up and down, up and down. So if it were a little more stable, and you could definitely probably tell the better with the fading and everything on 20, but it is directional, not so much an inverse polarization, but more east, west, north, south on those higher bands.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I'm going to do a couple more tests with this antenna. It seems very promising, and then I will come back with a full review a little bit later on. So this is kind of our sort of a warm-up with the Chameleon tactical dipole, a field test, so you can kind of see how it operates, and hope you found it interesting. But for more articles and information, be sure to check out my blog at www.jpole-antenna.com. Support of this channel drives the production of future videos. You can do a few things for us, like and subscribe, helps the algorithm, and also check us out on Patreon. Patrons help keep the mission alive. That's on patreon.com/KB9VBR Antennas. Well, that's it for this time. I'm Michael, KB9VBR.
And I'm Joe, KB9CJX.
Have a great day, and 73. And roll bloopers now.
Oh boy.